The future of EXIN Cloud Computing. EXIN Cloud Computing Certification. One of the key factors driving the future of EXIN Cloud Computing is the increasing demand for professionals with cloud computing expertise. Organizations are looking for individuals who are certified in cloud technologies to help them manage and optimize their cloud services. Emerging cloud technologies. The future of EXIN Cloud Computing is also being shaped by the rapid development of new and innovative cloud technologies. From serverless computing to edge computing, there are a plethora of emerging technologies that are changing the way businesses operate in the cloud. Cloud computing industry growth. The future of EXIN Cloud Computing looks bright, with the industry experiencing rapid growth and expansion. EXIN Cloud professionals can expect to see a plethora of job opportunities and lucrative career prospects in the coming years. Cloud computing solutions. EXIN Cloud professionals play a crucial role in developing and implementing innovative cloud solutions that meet the evolving needs of businesses. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of EXIN Cloud Computing is promising, with exciting opportunities for professionals in this field. By acquiring the necessary skills and certifications, individuals can position themselves for a successful career in the rapidly growing cloud computing industry.